Hello kids, welcome back to your English class. I hope you all are fit and fine. So come, let's quickly revise what all we have done in English class. Your half-yearly exam will be of 30 marks. It will be a subjective paper and it will have 3 sections. Section A, Section B and Section C. Section A will be of picture reading. Section B will be grammar and Section C will be English literature. So come, let us revise everything one by one. So kids, let us begin with Section A, picture reading. Now what is picture reading? A picture will be given to you like this, okay? And then few questions will be given below the picture and you will have to answer the questions seeing the picture, okay? So come, let's begin. So kids, a picture like this will be given to you. Now let's see what all is given there in the picture. We can see that it is rainy season. There are 4 kids who are enjoying the rainy season. There are 2 kids with umbrellas, isn't it? So now let's try answering some questions related to this picture. So the first question is, how many people are there in the picture? You can take hint from the help box given at the top. So let us see the picture again to find the answer. And the answer is 4. How many people are there in the picture? 4 people. Now next question is, name the season in the picture. And we had already discussed that it is rainy season in the picture. So the answer is rainy season. Now the next question is, how many umbrellas are there in the picture? And in the picture we had seen that there were 2 kids who were holding the umbrellas. So there are 2 umbrellas in the picture. Now let's move ahead and see what is the next question. So the last question is, how many girls are there in the picture? So come, let's see the picture once again and see how many girls are there. So kids, I can see that there are 3 girls. Thus, the answer will be 3. Now quickly, let's see all the answers once again. How many people are there in the picture? 4. Name the season in the picture. Rainy season. How many umbrellas are there in the picture? 2. How many girls are there in the picture? 3. And kids, as you already know that we only write the answers in the copy and we do not copy the questions. So this is how you will write the answers. So kids, this is how you will do picture reading. Now let's very quickly move to Section B. Section B is of grammar. Now in this you will have questions from 2 chapters, one and many and genders. So come, let us revise one and many and genders. So kids, there are 2 types of genders, masculine and feminine. Now let us see what is masculine gender and what is feminine gender. Now kids, when nouns denote names of males, boys, they are said to be in the masculine gender. Example, boy, lion, bull. All of the males and boys come under the masculine gender. Now kids, what is feminine gender? When nouns denote names of females or girls, they are said to be in the feminine gender. Example, girl, lioness, cow, all of them come under feminine genders. All boys are masculine and all girls are feminine. Now kids, when it is clear to you what is genders, come, let us see few questions of it. So kids, you have to write the opposite genders of the following: father, lion, sir and son. Ma'am has written all the masculine ones. You have to write the feminine ones. So kids, the opposite gender of father will be mother. Of lion will be lioness. Sir will be madam. And son will be daughter. And as you know that we will not copy the questions, we will only write the answers in the copies. So this is how you will write the answers. So now kids, let us revise one and many, or singular or plural.
So kids, nouns are the names given to a person, place, animal or a thing. Now these nouns can be one in number or they can be more than one, like 2, 3, 4 and so on, isn't it? So if these nouns are one in number, it is called as singular noun. Okay, because it is one, it is known as singular noun. But if it is more than one, if there are many, then it will be called as plural noun. Okay, so this is one and many. One is also known as singular noun and many can also be called as plural nouns. So let us study about this in detail. So kids, come, let's see what is a singular noun or one. A singular noun names only one person, place, animal or thing. Example, one boy, one hotel, one lion, one pencil. Yes? So now come, let's see what is plural or many. Whatever is more than one is known as many. A noun that names two or more people, places, things or animals is called a plural noun. Let's see a few examples. 2 boys, 3 hotels, 4 lions, so many pencils. So we have learned that more than one is called plural or many.
Now kids, we usually add s at the end of the noun to change it to its plural form.
Example, fan becomes fans. School becomes schools. Rat becomes rats. If there are more than one pen, we call it pens. Girl becomes girls when they are more than one in number. So kids, to make plural from singular, we add s at the end of the noun.
And if a noun ends with s, ss, sh, ch, o, z or x, we add es at the end to make it plural.
Come, let's see few examples. Bus, because it is ending with s, we add es and it becomes buses. Glass becomes glasses. Dish becomes dishes. Church becomes churches. Box becomes boxes.
And kids, do you know that there are some magical words, some nouns that change their spellings when they become plural? For example, child becomes children, tooth becomes teeth, man becomes men, yeah, and foot becomes feet. So kids, now when one and many is clear to you, come, let's see a few examples of it also. Write the plural of the following: boy, cat, table and foot. Now come, let's see the answers. Boy becomes boys, cat becomes cats, table becomes tables and foot changes its spelling and becomes feet. And this is how you will write the answers in your copy. So kids, now we are through with section A, that is picture reading, section B, that is grammar, and now let's move to section C, that is your English literature. In this section, you will have questions from the chapter Janki the Rabbit. So, before we begin with the question answers, fill in the blanks, true or false, match the following, let us quickly revise the chapter Janki the Rabbit.
Janki the rabbit was 5 years old. She had a big smile and eyes like 2 little stars. So kids, How old was Janki? She was 5 years old, and she had a big smile and her eyes were like two little stars, which means that she had very sparkling eyes. She was always very excited and happy, and with that excitement and happiness, her eyes were always sparkling. So her eyes looked like two little stars. Now, one day she was playing with her friend, Teddy the bear, in the jungle. They saw a monkey climb up an apple tree. So kids, what was the name of Janki's friend? The name of Janki's friend was Teddy, and Teddy was a bear. Okay, and both of them were playing where? They were playing in a jungle, and in that jungle, while playing, they saw one monkey who was climbing one apple tree. Now let's see what happens next. The monkey jumped from one branch to the other, plucked an apple tree and ate it up. Janki and Teddy watched the monkey eat another apple. So the monkey was eating one apple after the other. The monkey saw them and threw an apple down for them. So kids, now this monkey saw Teddy the bear and Janki the rabbit watching him, and he thought that both of them cannot climb up the tree. So he broke one apple and he threw at them. Now as soon as Janki got this yummy sweet apple, first she got very happy, but then she became very sad. Now why was she sad? Let us see what she was thinking. She thought, I wish I could also climb the tree and jump from one branch to the other. Now Janki was not satisfied with that one apple. She thought that if she could climb the tree, she would be able to eat more and more apples. And she thought it was really fun to climb up the trees and jump from one branch to the other. Now come, let's see that what Teddy the bear explains Janki, and was Janki able to climb up the tree or not? Now Teddy the bear said, all of us are not the same, Janki. But Janki did not listen. She tried to run up the tree, but thud, and she fell down. After this, Janki became very sad, and Teddy tried to explain her that, see Janki, monkeys and squirrels can climb trees, birds can fly. Yes, so everyone has their own talent and everyone is good at something or the other. And we cannot be good at everything. So let's see that what we can do. We can't do any of that, but you can run fast and I am very strong. We all are special in our own ways. And now Janki understood this and she was very happy.
So kids, now when the chapter is clear to you, let us quickly see few exercises of this chapter, Janki the rabbit.
So the first exercise is write true or false. If you feel that the sentence is correct, you will write true. And if you feel the sentence is wrong, you will write false. So the first sentence is, Janki is the name of the rabbit. And the answer is true. The second sentence is, monkeys and squirrels can climb trees. And the answer is true for this also. So in your copies, you will write true for both the sentences. Now the next exercise is fill in the blanks. Few sentences will be given to you and you will complete the sentence by filling the blank. Let us see few examples. The first sentence is, Janki tried to dash up the tree. And the answer is, Janki tried to run up the tree. Now the second sentence is, they saw a dash climbing up a tree. And the answer is, they saw a monkey climbing up a tree. So the answer for sentence A is run up and answer for sentence B is monkey. Now let us see the next exercise, which is match the following. Now, kids, we will see the first meaning that is given to us. Something that is not of the usual or ordinary type. Now, what do you think? This is the meaning of which word? A, plucked, or B, special? The answer is B, special. So, in your copies, you can either write B or you can write special. Now, the next meaning is to remove or take something or somebody from a place. This is the meaning of A, plucked, or B, special. Yes, this is the meaning of A, plucked. So, in your copies, you will write either A or plucked. Now kids, the next exercise is very simple. That is, answer the following questions. A question will be given to you and you will just write the answers in your copy. So the question is, what did Janki wish for? And the answer which you will write in your copy is, Janki wished if she could also climb the tree and jump from one branch to the other. Now kids, these are just few examples which ma'am has given you. Similarly, different questions will be asked from you in the test and you will have to answer them in the similar way.
Kids, this was all for today. Now, I hope you all are well prepared for your English test. All the very best, do well and keep smiling till the time we meet next. Bye-bye.